Right. On its feet. On your feet. Yeah. 5 wheels are on. Well, 4 wheels are on, and fifth wheel is there, which is it goes on the back. And this is solid, and it's all nicely put together, as you can see, by me, if I say so. Well, it's a way of saying it. Anyway, and now engine, yeah, manifold. Start cleaning the car, though we don't need it so far because I'm going to join these two and see if I can put it on the engine with the new engine mounts, which are here. Yeah, so we got a lot of stuff coming in. As you can see, we have like a shop here. Little bits. And yeah, that's it. It was pretty tough job. I don't know how you could change a tire in the field when you've been shot at, but what happened during the war is that these combat rims had a run flat rim inside, which was a steel rim, that if you had a punctured tire you could run it flat for miles, right? So it could get you back to base or whatever. But if you buy one of these Jeeps and want to restore it, and you find that it has combat rims and you split them and it has that run flat rim inside, you're better off leaving it out, because the manufacture of the tires nowadays is nothing like the military grade tires of war. So they would knacker your tires actually. So that's why we put that row protector inside. So because today you wouldn't need to run a tire flat, of course you just change it. But yeah, that's about it. So yeah, as you can see, also it's all engraved all over the place, right? So we've got the S, and it's looking more and more like it should look. So see you later, mates.